Hey everybody, this video, I have an American lock. It's a Series 200. It's I guess the older version of a 5200, has the old style core and everything on it. And the thing when I first got it was kind of seized up, lubricated it where it's now moving around enough here where, I mean, you can actually tension it a little bit, but I've not had any luck picking it. So I'd like to get it open and get a key made for it. So I've got no key, and so, you know, sign of a desperate man here. We're going to see if we can use a number 8 depth key and get it open that way instead. So do that here. Got to make sure you got enough tension on it where it actually does tension the core a little bit. And I'm going to take our bump driver. And probably just ruin my depth key. I've not successfully ever bumped an actual American brand lock open. But I think on the new ones, you know, with the serrated pins, makes it real tricky. I don't know if this one will work or not. Hey, look at that. Yahtzee. Got it. Now I don't want that to lock back, so we like to try to make a key for it, possibly. So I guess we'll end that video now. It's bumped open, and then I guess stay tuned for part 2 here. We'll see if we can get it gutted and get a key made for it.